We built this $3,000 PC at QuakeCon, which is one of the world's biggest LAN parties. And thanks to NVIDIA, ASUS, Patriot, and AMD for sponsoring this build, we're gonna be giving it away to one lucky winner. Wanna know how to win? Well, you're gonna wanna check out this build recap and find out. Okay, what's up guys? Welcome. We are live at QuakeCon. In fact, if you wanna know if we're live at QuakeCon, we are on the full roaming camera, so we'll be able to show that off a little bit later. We're gonna show you QuakeCon. We're gonna give you a tour of the booth behind us. NVIDIA was so excited about this live stream that they stuck us at the end where nobody can watch us. Hi guys, what's going on everybody? Nobody can watch us, so that way.
I'm excited. Yeah. I've had 2 of these already.
Okay, do we want to start build, or do we want to give people a tour of the booth?
Should we start with the tour?
Yeah, I think we should start with a tour.
You can get the lay of the land here at QuakeCon. This is actually the 30th anniversary of QuakeCon.
Oh yeah, let's go show them around the booth here. I'm gonna grab a light for Brian. So first and foremost, let's give him a full scan of what is QuakeCon, Brian. So there is, that right there is 4,000 people playing video games right now, guys, and it's absolutely incredible. So 4,000 people playing right now.
So we have a couple of GeForce laptops here. These are Razer laptops, 5080, 5090.
So people really can kind of come, get hands-on, and see all the different stuff. Dude, this is a very big monitor. Oh, and it's a Mac.
Yeah, this is GeForce Now.
Oh, this is GeForce Now running on a Mac.
Yeah,
okay.
You can run it from Mac, you can run it from handheld, streaming, and then of course handhelds as well.
Yeah.
So this is the Lenovo Legion.
This is like the history of GeForce, right?
Yeah, a lot of it. This is not all the cards, but this is many GeForce cards throughout history. This is a legitimately old PC that Robeytech actually helped me find.
Yeah, we procured it. So this has got a 7800 GTX inside of it, right?
Yeah.
So it's from 2005, isn't that right?
2004.
2004, yeah. 2005. It was a fully loaded $5,000 system back then. This is using the Silverstone.
Oh,
yeah, the Silverstone. We've actually built a PC in this as well, but it's, as you can see inside of it, it's done by Zydex and they've completely custom water cooled it. So it's looking at it. So this is showing the same game.
The old school Quake 3 from 1999 on that PC there, of the kind of the similar era. And then over here we have Quake 3 RTX Remix, which is a essentially remastered version of Quake 3. And so what we did here is we actually hooked them up side by side so that I can destroy Robeytech like I'm going to do right now. Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh, I even had a headshot. I even had a head start. That was brutal. Okay, well now let's go do something I'm actually good at and let's build a PC.
Right,
what do you say? Wow. So let's start talking about the other parts. So we have the Ryzen 7 9850X3D, and then we're going to be putting that inside of this right here, the ROG Strix B850F Gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, the 5070 Prime from the folks over at ASUS. For cooling, again, huge shout out from the folks over at ASUS, the ROG Strix. This is the LC360 ARGB. And then we have 32 gigs of Patriot. This is their Viper Elite. This is 6400 mega transfer RAM. And then we have a 1 terabyte VP4300 Lite NVMe, and they threw us a Prime 850 watt gold. And then this is inside of the brand new dual chamber ASUS A32 case. This is a brand new case from ASUS. And again, huge shout out to obviously NVIDIA, ASUS, Patriot, and AMD for giving us the parts for this PC giveaway that it's going to be happening over the course of August. We have to open up the CPU here. What is your what's your favorite part of QuakeCon? And don't say gaming because it almost seems like you never get to game.
I don't get a lot of time to game. I did play Gears of War though. A little bit. The new
did you play E-Day?
Multiplayer. The multiplayer beta,
yeah. So was the multiplayer, was it Versus or was it Horde?
I think they had both.
Okay.
You could choose Horde or Versus.
Yeah, so I might have to try it just for the Horde stuff.
Yeah, I think it ends though in a couple days.
Yeah, it's pretty short. And for folks who don't know, E-Day is going to be a prequel to the original Gears of War. They did do a Gears of War remaster. I know Blondie's really excited about this. But E-Day is like the first emergence day of the. So what game are you looking forward to that's coming out soon?
Oh man, I mean there's so many great games coming out. The new Control game, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean obviously Gears of War.
What about that? There's a pretty small game coming out this year. It starts with G.
Oh yeah, I heard about that one.
Yeah, I heard it. It's a small title. Small title. You pretty excited about that?
Oh yeah, for sure. I played all of them.
We're gonna put the build in here. Slide it in. I admitted that we'd be a terrible SI company if you and I were working together.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go, guys. So there's our build so far.
So if we had our own SI company, system builder, what should we call it?
Is Starforge taken? Is that?
I'm pretty sure that one's taken. Yeah. How about Origin? Is that one taken?
Is that one taken?
I'm pretty sure that's taken.
I think we should call ourselves Main Gear.
Falcon Northwest.
Falcon Northwest.
Yeah, that
what
is
about
a good
Falcon
name.
Northeast?
I don't know. You might get in trouble for that one.
Hey, so you're live on the NVIDIA and Robeytech live show right now, and we're trying to come up with a creative name for our SI company, and we're wondering if we could be Falcon Southeast or if you'd sue us.
Falcon South Pacific is my life goal.
South Pacific, he said.
It's Falcon South Pacific. Okay, so if we name our company that, you're okay with it? We have your permission to call our company. Okay, good. Okay, good. Thank you very much.
It's on camera too.
It's on camera too. It's on live stream
So
with all these people.
we cannot be sued now.
We cannot be sued. Kilt, you got Kilt's permission.
Nice, and I am wearing your Robeycat t-shirt now. I'm working under a car, and I was like, I need a t-shirt that I can get real dirty.
That's fair. That's fair. Well, thank you for giving us permission, and please don't get crushed by the car.
We'll try not to.
Okay, bye, Kilt.
Have fun at QuakeCon, man.
There we go. We got permission.
We got our name.
We got
what
our
was
name
it again?
Falcon South Pacific.
South Pacific. Got it.
And then the other thing too is that we're hoping is going to start, guys. You're going to start seeing more streams with me and Jacob on a consistent basis, right? So
That's the goal. Yeah.
That's
hopefully.
the goal. Yeah. So that's where we're working on that behind the scenes.
I gotta improve. Yeah, because we're starting our own business.
Yeah. He's got Falcon South Pacific.
North Pacific or whatever it is. South Pacific.
Wow, you're really doing a good job of selling our company. I think we have like really good SIs. What would be like what would be our shtick? Like, why would people buy from us?
I don't know. I haven't thought of that yet.
Because all of our stuff is QC'd by GeForce Jacob.
Right. I did the QC. Yeah, there. I don't know if that's a selling point though.
That's the single highest selling point we have. Is that all the stuff is QC'd by GeForce Jacob. Let us know if that's enough to buy a PC from us. It's a little bit. Oh, that's one of the standard QuakeCon. We haven't actually heard it a whole lot on the stream so far, but people be like, oh.
Yep. You'll hear that all day long, all night long.
Hey guys, Roby here with some quick info. You're probably wondering, how the heck do I win this thing? It's super simple. Hang out with us on stream at twitch.tv/Robeytech. Once you're there, type in !giveaway in chat and you'll get instructions to connect your Twitch account with your Stream Elements account. And then you just hang out and watch us stream. Every 10 minutes, you get 10 points, and 100 points gets you enough to purchase a ticket to win this PC. It's super simple. Now we'll be closing this giveaway out on August 31st, but there is still time. And with streams happening several times a week, there's lots of opportunities to earn points. Okay, now back to the build.
This is the ASUS 5070.
Yep.
So nice design. Triple fan.
Yeah,
Has
I
a
like
flow
this
through
one a lot.
as well there.
Okay, let's get it installed. Jacob, we just got to hook up 2 cables, some light cable management,
All right.
and then
We're almost there.
This thing turns on. And remember, guys, you can win this PC. We're giving away this PC in partnership with NVIDIA, ASUS, and everybody else. So if you want to win that, you just got to watch Robeytech over the course of the month of August. All of our streams, they just basically earn points, and then we'll choose a winner. Not a woman. That was weird. And then you will. And then again, you have lots of opportunities to win, and it is a worldwide giveaway. And we stream 3 times a week, so you have lots of chances to earn points towards winning this PC. And hopefully Jacob will be on some of these streams in the future. That's the hope. We're working on it.
Hopefully, I'm on this one.
This is a good one.
So this one counts.
This one counts, yeah. Okay, you see the power button? Quality control gets push the power.
Air Jensen, somebody said. Air Jensens. All right, you ready?
Yeah, where's the power?
Ready?
Yeah. Oh,
we got
there it
lights.
is. And there it is, it's posted.
Nice. Minus the one fan.
Minus the one fan.
But
Oh, and there goes the AIO, just turned on too.
just spin it with your finger. There you
It's
go.
working,
Yeah,
it's
see,
fine.
it's good.
That's how that works, right?
camera magic.
And then it is green. Yeah, it is green. So it is fully posted right now. We'll count it. We'll fix that rear fan in post. Anyway, guys, that is it for us. Huge shout out to NVIDIA again for doing this. And thank you again to QuakeCon. We hope you enjoyed this stream. Have an absolutely amazing rest of your evening. And we will see you guys on the next episode. Bye, guys.